Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to select word dictionaries on Scrabble Go. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on your profile in the top left corner. Here, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Click on the select option of word dictionaries. And here you can see a bunch of options to choose from. You can also select multiple options. Then tap on the save option. So that is how you can select word dictionaries on Scrabble Go. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.